everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can uninstall applications that we have downloaded from Microsoft Store in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So for that, let us start and let us open first our run window. We can do that by making a click here or making a right click here in our Windows icon and then go to run option. So once this run window is up on our screen, here we need to type appwiz.cpl. Now once done typing, you can now click on OK or enter. So once you do that, you will see here the programs and features window. In here, we can see the applications that we have uninstalled or that we have installed from Microsoft Store. So you cannot see any applications that we have installed from Microsoft Store. So to do that, we can do the process that I will be showing to you. So let me just close this one. First, we need to go to settings, and we can do that by making a right click here in our Windows icon again, and then click on settings option. So once you do that, you can see in the left pane all the options here under settings, and please click on the apps. Once you do that, you will see here the first option, installed apps. So uninstall and manage apps on your PC. In this section, we can find the application that you installed from Microsoft Store. So all we need to do is just to click on that. And as you can see here, we have all the applications that we have in our device. So if you have a certain application that you have just downloaded from Microsoft Store and you want to uninstall it, all you need to do is just to go to the right section. You will see a three-dot icon there. So please click on that. You will see the modify and uninstall options. All you need to do is just click on this uninstall option and it will be uninstalled from your device. Okay? And if you see or if you have noticed an issue or problem with that certain application and you want to repair it, all you need to do is just go again with this three-dot icon here and you will see advanced options. So please click on that and you will see here the specifications, the background app permissions. If you have let the applications run in the background, you can choose also some choices about that. You can click on always or power optimized or never. And if you want to repair it, all you need to do is just go to reset options. If this app isn't working or isn't working right, then we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. So just please click first the first option here, repair, and after doing the repair, then just make a quick restart with your device. And if you're still seeing or if you're still noticing some issues, problems with that certain application, you can proceed with this reset button here. Just go back again with this window and please click on this reset button if this app is still not working. So the app's data will be deleted. After the reset, just make a quick restart with your device and then your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can uninstall applications from Microsoft Store in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So if you learned something from this video, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope I see you again on the next one. Bye bye.